Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today I'm going to be talking about a top Forex strategy. Yeah, it's a strategy that the team that I'm with, called Abundance Trade House, that I'm going to give you access to in a second, have invented or made up. And it, more importantly for you, it's a winning Forex strategy. It's a winning strategy, yeah, and it helps you because we mainly use indicators. So it's very objective, yeah, and as well as that, more important than that, I'm going to even give you access to the people I personally trade with. 5, 6, 7-figure earners. You can come and trade with us next week, and I'll give you some more details if that's for you, and it's going to be completely for free. So you can see all these things I'm talking about right now in action during the week. All right. So there's two main ways that we trade. Yeah, there's one called smart money. Or there's two indicators that we use. We used to trade smart money, and now we use an indicator called smart monics, which is just kind of a play on words. It's just about smart money with the harmonic indicator, which is this. And I'm gonna walk you through a trade in a second and show you how accurate this is and why this is such a winning way to trade. Yes, so we teamed up with this person from the IM Academy. His name is Manny Q, and he kind of teaches you on the smart money way. Yeah, what we call in smart monics. And then we also have another way called ATH. So what we found with smart money, people took time to get it, 6 months to a year. This is now half that journey. Yeah, and ATH has made it even shorter. Yeah, so I'm going to walk you through a trade and show you these two indicators in action. But here's Manny Q, and he teaches on the smart monics, on how to use this indicator, and more importantly, he marks everything up for you. Yeah, this is like having a 7-year veteran trader on your side who actually gets online every day with these lives. No, not every day, sorry, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 1 p.m. UK time. And he goes through the charts. He goes through all of these charts and tells you, you know, what he's looking at and where you might be interested in trading. And you can ask as many questions as you want. And he stays on there and answers almost everybody's questions. And you get that. You get access to this person. You know, he shows you places that he would be looking to trade himself. There's a boot camp here. He's got the favorited sessions. And you get all of this. This is in Go Live. And that's included with what we do. Yeah, so now, because we got these two indicators, now I'm going to show you them in action. I'm going to show you a trade that I would have taken this morning if I was around for it, but I've made my percentage for the week, so I'm not really that inclined to trade again. Once I have my percentages, I don't need to trade again. But I would have taken it on a demo if I was around for it. But you know, at least it's offered me a chance to do some teaching, so it's a blessing, really. So anyway, so here's the smart money. Here's the harmonic indicator, and what's the beauty about this is that when these things go off, you don't have to be sat on charts all day. You'll get you'll get a text or an email or a Discord ping to tell you, come and have a look at the charts. So this is the one I'm going to go through this trade, the euro pound. Yeah, so this morning at 9 o'clock my time, so I wasn't on the charts at that time, but 9 o'clock my time, we got a ping here. So that's what I'm saying. The beauty of this, it gives you freedom. You don't have to be sat on charts all day. Some people think, oh, if I got a trade, I got to sit on charts from 7 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening, whatever. But that's just replacing one job for another. This is not why I personally got into trading. I got into trading for time freedom, to be able to spend time with my loved ones. And hopefully that's what you want to get into this for yourself. And if that's for you, then yeah, you need to learn this. You need to contact me potentially, and then we'll get you in. You can see how this trades, how you can trade this for yourself. Watch this in action now and tell me if you don't think you can do this for yourself. So you get a ping, euro pound, 4 hours ago, 9 o'clock my time, and get a ping. And all that means is it's like a good friend tapping you on the shoulder and saying, come to the charts, because the patterns that we trade, this smart monics is setting up now potentially for a good trade. So you come to the charts, and it would have been up here. You wait for this, what we call the D point. The D point would already be there if you get the ping. So that, if the D point's high, it's telling you we're selling this. So when you get to the charts now, this is the only bit where you're going to have to wait. So you get to the chart. I drop down to the 5-minute. And I would never normally trade 5-minute without this smart money. So we get down, we're at 5 minutes now. So there's the D point right there. Okay, so D point goes off somewhere there, say. Now this is the only time you got to wait, because now I'm waiting for this little down arrow. So there's no way to put an indicator on this or an alarm on this to say the down arrow has appeared. So that's the only waiting time. But let's look at how much we've had to wait. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 14 minutes you'd have to be on the chart to get this trade. 14 minutes later you get this arrow, you get this big candle, what they call the shift candle. Nice big voluminous candle pointing down with a nice arrow. Now all you got to do now is just make sure it's all lining up with the other indicators. So I want this arrow here. So you get the arrow, big nice candle. It's crossing this blue line here. That's a good sign, yeah. It's red here. That's a good sign. It's red over blue. Yep. It's red over blue. Yes. That's it. That's a go now. You now set up for the trade. And what you do, you set your stop. You set your entry below this candle here, the one before, and stop loss would be at the top. I'll show you this on a chart. Now, this is how accurate this is. If you didn't pad this, you wouldn't have got it. Yeah. But I'll show you as well, even if you don't get it, you can get it with our second strategy, which is another thing that Michael, the leader of this group, teaches. I'll show you him here quickly. This guy here on the right. He teaches that if you miss it, or even if you want to get in twice, you can get in off our other strategy, the ATH. But I'll show you that in a second. So this would have been the entry. I had to, if you didn't pad it, I padded it. I didn't get into this, sorry, but if I was going to do this, I would have padded it by about 2 pips. So I might just have got it. That's how accurate this can be. I'm looking at this big box here. So entry here, stop loss at the top, push down. That's that big red candle that we've got on the scanner. This one here, big push down. Came back, flagged back, and tapped us in there, and boom, it's just fallen off. And as it stands now, we're looking at a 1 to 4. Yes, that means if you risk 1%, you've now made 4% back. If you're risking 2, that's 8% profit on something that's given to you and told you go and have a look. And the longest you would have had to wait on that, what did we say, was 40 minutes, was it, to get it? And then that's it. Yeah, 40 minutes, 1 to 4 in a day of one trade. You know, most traders, a 1 to 4, an 8% increase on their account, they would be really happy with that in a month. Yeah, so I'm not saying every time it's going to win, but when you win you can get 4, and when you lose you lose 1. You can see you can afford to lose more than you win. Yeah, but let's just say, because this was so accurate, just say you missed this. Now I'm going to show you the ATH. So let me just put all this on. This is again, these are indicators, things you get as part of our group. So these are what we call the ATH arrows. Yeah, quick turn ATH. So imagine you missed this. It pushed down. Now it flagged up to just the 62. Again, another strategy that Michael teaches. It pushed down, so you could have got in off this one. It's telling you now. Red arrow with a quick turn. That's like even better. But even if it was just a red arrow, you know you're in this area to trade it down because the harmonic scanner's already told you that. So now you get in, you say you missed that, it was too accurate, you missed it, you didn't pad it, whatever. Now you grab this one. Entry there. Stop loss at the top there. Vroom, ride that down. Also just about a 1 to 4. 1 to 3.92. Just under a 1 to, so 1 to 3.5, almost a 1 to 4. You know, if you wanted to hold it that long. But me, normally I get out of 1 to 3, so it would have been there. Easily taken that, no stress about that. But if you wanted to hold it all the way down, you would have just got a 1 to 4 out of this. Yeah, I mean, 2 ways to get into this trade. 2 ways to get, or get in 2 trades if you want. You could trade them both. You know, off something being given to you, you know. So I hope you understand and can see how this can work for you, and how just with a little bit of coaching, and we offer you that, we get on here on these lives Monday to Friday, every single day, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT, and they stay on, look, hour and 24 minutes, hour and a half usually on average, and they show you what they're doing. They show you those things I just showed you there. They also talk you through, you know, what extra little trades they're looking at. They look at gold indices, and they answer all your questions, and you get access to that if you want for next week completely for free. So listen, if you think this is for you, if you can see the value in this and you want to actually come and have a look at this, come and have a look on the inside, because we give you the exact same thing, the exact same training that we give to paid members. You get that as a free member. So if you're interested in that, like I said, all you got to do, you've got to go down to below this video. There'll be a link below there. Just click on that, and once you've opted in, you'll get access to this training. It shows you exactly what you need to do. Everything will be explained to you. And, you know, come and have a look, see if it's for you. You know, if you like it, then, you know, you may continue with us. If you don't, that's fine. Do you know what I mean? At least you came and you had a look. And I think this strategy is going to just blow things away. It's really, really helping a lot of people. You've got so much support here. And that's usually what's missing in the trading world. They might give you loads of strategies, but what's missing is the support. And here you're going to get loads of it. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get value from it as well. If you have any questions at all, any questions on the smart money, any questions on anything at all, please don't hesitate. Just leave it all in the comments box below. All right, once again, you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.